How to fix X app or Twitter app not loading image and videos in 2025. First, make sure your internet is working properly. Try opening a website or another app. If it's slow, switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data or restart your router. You can also turn on airplane mode for a few seconds and then turn it off to refresh the network. If you are using iPhone, clearing the cache can help. Go to settings, type on general, select iPhone storage, type on search bar, search for Twitter or X, tap on it. You will see a two option, upload app or delete app. Just tap on upload app and again. Go back your home screen and then an outdated app can cause media loading issues. Go to Play Store or App Store. Tap on search bar, search for Twitter or X and tap on update. If the problem still exists, uninstall and reinstall the app. Finally, if nothing else works, restart your phone. This simple step can resolve temporary software glitch. And that's it. One of these solutions should fix your problem. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.